Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option privacy protection. So let's tap. Then go to special permissions and localize the option install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so not from the Play Store, which is a regular place from which we can install apps, but from Chrome, from browser. So find it in the list and tap on it, and then tap on this switcher next to it. Here we've got the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. And now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is allowed to install something, and of course it works the same with all other apps which are listed right here. Of course, you can also remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.